Innovation is the key to a better world. Good evening, one and all. I am Muhammad Nadeemuddin Khan of Grade 12T. I welcome you all to the Spark 2021, the Social Studies and Science exhibition, presenting you all amazing experiments and models which will amaze you. Now let's move ahead and look into the efforts and the ideas of our little Einsteins on the occasion of the great Albert Einstein's birthday. Before we start the event, I would request you all to stand up for the UAE national anthem. Now let us start this event with a beautiful recitation of the Holy Quran by Moinuddin of grade 12.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الأبرار لفي نعيم وإن الفجار لفي جحيم يصلونها يوم الدين وما هم عنها بغائبين وما أدراك ما يوم الدين ثم ما أدراك ما يوم الدين يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا والأمر يومئذ لله صدق الله العظيم.
Hello there, how are you both?
We are doing good. Great.
Amazing. Introduce yourselves.
Myself Muhammad Fahad Aldin. I am Ahmad.
I hear science exhibition is coming up. What do you think about science and how does it affect our daily lives?
Science is a way of learning about the natural world. Science is involved in cooking, eating, breathing, driving, playing, etc. The fabric we wear, the brush and paste we use, the shampoo, the talcum powder, the oil we apply, everything is consequence of advancement of science. Life is unimaginable without all these, as it has become a necessity. Bye. Bye.
Now, to inaugurate this Spark 2021, I would like to call upon the man behind this event, the Executive Principal, Mr. Arun Gopinath. I will request Sir to speak a few words of wisdom and address this event.
Hello everyone. We have almost completed an academic year during this pandemic. It was challenging, but we could make it success with a lot of innovative programs with the help of our students, parents and teachers. Our scientists are working from home, but their idea to organize the exhibition back has made us thinking of Spark 2021. Finally, we have come to reality and the Spark is open for all today. I thank and congratulate all the students, parents and teachers who have taken effort to make this grand event a success. I declare Spark 2021 inaugurated. Thank you.
Good day to one and all present here. I, Hina Fazal of grade 12B, is here to take the opportunity to call all the teachers from the science department to come up with their knowledge on the great scientist who once said, life is like a riding bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. And that's none other than Mr. Albert Einstein.
I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious. The broad, humble thought by the eminent scientist Albert Einstein have made the budding young scientist of the Royal Academy Ajman to commemorate the event Spark 2021 on his birthday 14th March. The Royal Science team is here to pay tribute to the great genius.
Albert Einstein is arguably the most influential scientist of the 20th century.
Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, Ulm, Wittenberg, Germany. Einstein grew up in a secular Jewish family.
In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize for Physics for his explanation of photoelectric effect. His work also had a major impact on the development of atomic energy.
The German-born physicist most famous equation E is equal to mc square explained how energy is related to mass.
His general theory of relativity changed our understanding of space and time.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, whereas imagination encircles the world.
Together with an Indian scientist, Satyendranath Bose, Einstein discovered the fourth state of matter called Bose-Einstein condensate. Today, this discovery is used in superconductors.
In 1905, Albert Einstein proposed a theory of photoelectric effect, an emission of electron when electromagnetic radiation strikes an object.
The element with atomic number 99, Einsteinium, a mysterious and exceptionally radioactive element, was named to honor legendary physicist Albert Einstein.
German genius gave the world some groundbreaking theories. His imaginations gave him answers to the questions most of us would not think to ask.
I know that the most joy in my life has come to me from my violin. Music and science were his great passions. Hats off to Einstein.
I would now love to lead you all through all the minor and major experiments in today's science exhibition by our KG, primary and higher section students.
Water is life and clean water means health. Let's follow Aryan Atul of KG1A while he demonstrates on how to make a simple homemade water filter. Come on.
Hi, my name is Aryan Atul from KG1A and Royal Academy Ajman. I'm going to make a water filter. I'm going to use cotton ball, tissue paper, sand, stones, little stones, bubbles, charcoal, water. First, we have to cut the bottle and then we have to get this shape. First, we will put a tissue paper, put it. Add some charcoal. Here. Put some cotton wool. Put some sand. Put some stones. Add some more stones. Going to put unforgettable. Now our filter is ready. We will check it by pouring muddy water. Now we are getting clean water in the bottom. Thank you. Goodbye. Nutrition is a laboratory, and everything that happens here has relation to science. Here we have Zina Chafi from grade 1A to explain us about healthy food. Hi friends, my name is Zina Shafi and I am in 1A Rural Academy Ajman School. For group of grade 1 is Science Quality of Life. Today my topic is healthy food and I am gonna tell you about healthy food and unhealthy food. Healthy food helps in providing more energy to your body so that we can work all day long without feeling tired. Some high energy foods are fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables, nuts, honey and yogurt, egg. Unhealthy foods are low in energy and high in fat content. Therefore, we should have a balanced diet because a balanced diet provides all the nutrients to our body that we need. Thank you.
Can you burn things without air? Here is an experiment by Einstein of 5B to show that to us.
Hi everyone, I am Ishani studying grade 5B in Royal Academy School Ajman. So today I am going to show a simple science experiment regarding air is needed for burning. So for this experiment we need 2 candles and a glass. So first we need to fix the candle on the table. Then light these candles. Now cover one of the candle with glass. Wait for some time. Now the covered candle stops burning. This is because there is insufficient air inside the glass, but the other candle keeps burning. This experiment proves that air is needed for burning. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye. Let's see the wonderful work of Asha Kolat from grade 1B on continents.
My name is Asha Kolat Roshan from grade 1B. My project is 7 continents. Continents are massive landmasses found on Earth. Sands of continents from largest in size to smallest are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Now I'm going to explain about Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent with more than 4 billion people. It is surrounded by oceans, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The popular attractions in Asia are Himalayas, the Great Wall of China, Bal Island in Indonesia and Taj Mahal in India. Now I'm going to explain about India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. The national language in India is Hindi, but India has other 30 official languages. People in India belong to many religions, have many religions. They eat different kinds of food and wear different kinds of clothes. Thank you for watching the video.
We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. Asha Kamran of Grade 1B is here to guide us about reducing water pollution.
Hello friends, my name is Aisha Kamran. My school name is Academy Ajman. I am from Grade 1B. Today my topic is science and qualities of life. Science always gives knowledge. So today we will learn about my topic is water pollution. Water is very important for our life. There are few ways to stop water pollution. Whatever waste comes from big factory, we should not throw into the river because it will be harmful for fish. We should not throw our home garbage into the river because it will become harmful. We should not bath our animals into the river because animal waste will make river polluted. We should not wash our clothes into the river because it will make river polluted. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Are you crazy about the magic? I'm really excited while seeing them. Now sit back and enjoy and science magic colors.
Hello everyone, my name is Jaza Fatima. I am in grade 5D in Royal Academy School, Ajman. Today I am here to do a science experiment. Let us know how to do. The materials that we need are some colorful candies like M&Ms or Skittles like this, and one plate and water. Now the first step is take the M&Ms or the candy and place it like around. Now we placed like a round shape. Now we have to pour some water. Look now what happened. Wow. These all about my experiment. Thank you.
It was wonderful. Symbols are signs for representing elements, for example, symbol of country, climate, etc. Let's see the work of Aisha Sabrina from 2B and Saria from 2A.
Hi everyone, my name is Aisha. I am from grade 2B. Today I will be telling you about the symbols of the Philippines. This is the national fruit, mango. It is color yellow or green. This is the national tree, Nara tree. It is tall, big and strong. This is Nipa house. It is our national house. It is made of steel house. This is our national fish. It is color white and black. It is bangus. This is our national animal, carabao. It is big and strong. It is also a farm animal. This is our national leaf, anahaw. It is a big leaf. This is a national bird, eagle. It is the king of the birds. This is our national money, peso currency. This is our national dress, barong barot saya. This is our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. This is our national anthem. We stand straight and look at the flag to show respect. This is our Philippine flag. This is Mayon volcano. The national symbols help us to know our country. Let us show our respect and love for the Philippines symbol. And I thank you.
Shannon of KG1A is fully excited with his sing and float experiment. Let's go and watch it.
My name is Chandra. I'm going to learn sink and float. Let's go. First, you have to put the lemon into the water. Put in the water. Are you ready, Amma? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at that. First, you have to put in the salt. It's sink. Put some salt in the water and then, am I ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Last one. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Ready, Amma? 3, 2, 1. Wow! Okay. Look! It floats! Because the salt water is more dense than air. Sink, float. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Clouds come floating into our lives. They carry rain and sunshine follows behind. Now Catherine Angelo from grade 2B will explain to us about condensation.
Hi, my name is Catherine Angelo. I am from 2B and today we are going to see about condensation of water. First, I am going to take 2 cups and fill the warm water in the first cup. And put the second cup over the first cup.
sentence, you can see the little droplets of water. The same happens in the sky. This happens because our atmosphere is full and our air is warm. This is the process of condensation. Thank you.
Our Earth has 70% of water, but where do we find it? Let's hear it from Asa Fatima from grade 3A, how the water is distributed into water bodies.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Azajish from 3A Trial Academy, Ajman. Today I'm here to talk a few words about bodies of water. There are 5 classifications of bodies of water: oceans, lakes, rivers, canals, and seas. There are 5 oceans: Southern, Indian, Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic. They are salt water and cover 2/3 of the surface. Seas are salt water and surrounded by water. Our planet is covered by 70% of water, and it is home to different kinds of animals, from very small krills to massive whales. Water is located all over the planet, and each type of water body has different functions, features, and sizes. Thank you.
Do you want to know the nature's most powerful yet free source of energy? From KG1A, Amin Tamim Alachola will tell us.
Hi, I'm Amin. I am studying in KG1A. My school name is Ajman. My project is Science and Technology for Sustainable Development. This is my project. This is sun. This is solar panel. This is battery. Solar panels store energy from sun. Solar energy converts to power and stores in battery. From battery, power is used to work on appliances and show how it works. Solar power saves lot of natural resources. Thank you. Bye.
Water is life. Don't let it slip down the drain. Water conservation is being explained by Jeno Varghese Joel from grade 2B.
Hello everyone, my name is Jeno Varghese Joel, studying in grade 2B. I am here to show you on my science experiment water conservation. Water conservation is preserving form of water for future uses. Everyone knows the earth is very big. 75% of it is water. If overall the earth had 1000 ml, underground water would have 9 ml. And mountains are full of ice. 20.6 of it is water. Lakes, a few drops. Swamps, 5 drops. Rivers, 2 drops. And 970% ml of it is the ocean. We cannot drink ocean water because it is salty. Now you know why we should preserve water for future uses, or else we would have nothing to drink. Thank you.
Fire should be put out soon before it burns everything. Mohammed Bilal is with us to show a homemade fire extinguisher.
My name is Mohammed Bilal Ali and I am studying in the Royal Academy Ajman, grade 5D. Today I am going to show you how to make a homemade fire extinguisher. For this, you need some baking soda, scissors, some water, vinegar and baking soda, which is tied with this. First, I am going to add some baking soda in this water bottle. After adding the vinegar, I am going to keep this stuff over here. And now I am going to put this inside this bottle. You should be super careful while doing this. This stuff should not touch this liquid. Our homemade fire extinguisher is ready. Now I am going to show you how to test this. If you must be wondering then, how did we do? It's quite simple. We have got 2 dills, baking soda and vinegar. When these two things react, when these two things mix, they react, and the result is lot of carbon dioxide is released. This carbon dioxide rises up very quickly, and it shoots from the nozzle exactly on the fire. This is how a fire extinguisher works.
Everyone knows about the famous people who are known to everyone. Today we will learn about the unknown people who have gone extra miles to protect our nature and society. Let's see the beautiful information shared by Eba Ahmed 5A and Muhammad Afan 5D.
Today we will be knowing about the unknown people who changed the world, who saved lives, who saved environment and who fought for human rights. So let's start. James Harrison. James Harrison saved more than 2 million babies' lives. His blood can be also used to make a medicine called antideglobulin. Next, Hannah Alford. Hannah Alford is a 15-year-old Canadian human rights activist. In July 2012, she created her own blog when she was just 9 years old. In it, she speaks about how people in each country suffer to get clean drinking water every day. Through her blog, she raises money and provides it to the weekly change who provide clean drinking water to the people. Next, Salamurada Timakka. Salamurada Timakka planted more than 354 trees. She planted trees on the side of Hudar Huleikal Road. Now the villagers could walk under the National Green Umbrella. In 1995, she won the National Citizens Award. Next, Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani activist. She fights for education. She meets child fighting for poverty, discrimination, child marriage and education. She fights in each country and around the world for a free 12-year education. Once again, let's take a quick look at them. Malala Yousafzai. 1 book, 1 pen, 1 child and 1 teacher can change the world. Timakka, the Green Crusader. James Harrison, the savior of 2 million lives. Hannah Alford, small acts, big change. by Hiba Ahmed Anas from the Royal Academy School of Ajman. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Afan. I study in grade 5 at Royal Academy Ajman. Today I will be telling you about a man that saved many lives. And I know you are wondering, who is this man and who was he? He is none other than Niels Ivar Bolin. Niels Ivar Bolin was a Swedish mechanical engineer and he was born in Sweden. He got his first diploma in mechanical engineering, and his first company he worked at was an aircraft company named the Maker Saab Aircraft Company. He as well worked to develop the injection seats. Later, he worked as a safety engineer in Volvo company. Later as well, he created the 3-point seat belt. He showed his invention to the Volvo company and got his first patent. Later, it is said that the 3-point seat belt saves about 15,000 lives in the US alone. As well, he was awarded a gold medal as well, and he was later posthumously inducted into the Inventors Hall of Fame. Niels sadly died on the age of 82 in Sweden in the year 2002 and was buried in Torfor Church in Ramfjord, Sweden. And it is so said by Ruskin Falls that when love and skill work together, expect a masterpiece. Thank you very much for joining me on this wonderful adventure.
Looking for some easy craft ideas? Well, Ivan Joseph Patrico from KG1A will share to us his ideas using paper bags.
My name is Yuvandashi from KG1A, studying in Royal Academy Ajman. Today I am doing the project of sustainable development. Do you know plastic are very dangerous? Don't use plastic. Use paper bag. Let's make paper bags. Aquatic items. Scissors, gum and paper. Fold the paper and cut the paper. Paste the gum and this paper bag is ready, finished. Do you know plastic very dangerous? Earth too, finish. And paper bag is ready. Do you know plastic dangerous? Paper bag is ready. Protect our earth. Thank you. Bye bye.
Say no to water pollution. Rinsha Prakash from grade 2C will explain it in detail with a wonderful model.
My name is Rinsha. I am studying in grade 2B in Royal Academy. Okay, this is my project, water pollution. For this project, the material that I used are thermocol sheet, foam sheet, color paper and cardboard. Water is one of the most valuable resources provided to us by nature. We use water for so many purposes, and while doing so, we also make the water dirty. Making the water dirty by addition of substances is called water pollution. Many humans and natural activities contains in water pollution. Dumping garbage into water, washing clothes, washing utensils and bathing animals. Add dirt and detergent to the water.
Untreated waste from factories and sewage from the areas add toxic chemicals into the water bodies. Water that is washed off from agricultural field contains pesticides and fertilizer into the water. Cause pollution. Spillage of oil from oil carrying ship contains lot of danger to aquatic plants and animals. Drinking the polluted water can cause diseases like cholera, typhoid and diarrhea. So what can be done to reduce it? One easy way to educate people to stop dumping garbage into water, washing clothes, washing utensils and bathing animals. Waste from factories and sewage from residential areas should be treated and made free from harmful substances. Use of harmful pesticides and insecticides in agricultural field must be discouraged. We should avoid wastage of clean water. Save water. Thank you.
Can smoke be a liquid? I am very excited, aren't you? We have Sri Hari from 6E with this unique idea.
Hi everybody, my name is Sri Hari Venugopal, studying in grade 6C. Today I am going to present an experiment related with exothermic reaction, that is liquid smoke experiment. Materials required for doing this experiment: a frozen glass, aluminium foil, matchsticks and a candle. First of all, we have to keep the glass in freezer for 3 to 4 hours. This time we can do the rest of the work. Take a piece of aluminium foil and matchsticks. Apart from this, we need a cylindrical shaped object. Here I chose a pencil. Then roll the matchsticks and pencil in aluminium foil like this. Then light the candle. By using the candle, we can light these matches. Now we can see the smoke inside the glass. The gas we get at the end of this experiment is lead oxide. This is a simple experiment for exothermic reaction. Here, hot air rises and cold air sinks. This happens because hot air contains less molecules than cold air. So when smoke reaches the cold glass, some of the cold air molecules come to the hot air. Then the smoke gets denser and is able to act like a liquid. Exothermic reactions are reaction or process that release energy, usually in the form of heat or light. I hope everybody can try this, but please handle with care because we are using matchsticks and fire. So take some precautions before doing this experiment. Prevention is better than cure. Thank you for watching.
Wow, that was amazing. Now let's see the different types of pollutions done by human beings by Fatima Zuha and Fauzia Janana, grade 6B.
Factories contaminate the air by blowing chemical vapors and smoke out through vents and smokestacks. Air pollution is caused due to this. Houses keep garbages. Due to washing and bathing of things, water pollution is caused. Animals drink these waters and get polluted. And the dirty water is poured onto plants to let them grow. These plants are not fresh for us to eat. Many vehicles cause noise pollution. Hope you got a lot of information through this video, and always remember to keep the environment clean. Thank you everyone for watching. This video was made by Fatima Zoha from grade 6B. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.
My name is Fawzat and I am from grade 6B. I am studying in Royal Academy School, Ajman.
Today I am going to show you the model of different types of pollution and their remedies. This is soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals in soil. Remedies for preventing soil pollution. By reducing the use of plastic, we can prevent soil pollution. This is water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies usually as a result of human activities. Remedies for water pollution. Dispose of toxic chemicals properly. This is noise pollution. Remedies for preventing noise pollution. Turn off electric appliances. This is air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Remedies for preventing air pollution. Avoid smoking.
Of KG1A to show us the walking water experiment.
Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Ali Khan. I'm KG1A. My school is welcome Ajman. This is walking water activity. Put red color in it. Put red color, put yellow color in it. Put blue color in it. Mix red color, mix yellow color, mix blue color. Put tissue in the boxes. Oh, look at this! Water is walking! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Thank you, friends!
The water conspired with air. Slowly and slowly, its molecules disappear. Here we have Alisha Imran from grade 2C demonstrating the concept of evaporation.
Hello friends, my name is Alisha Imran. I'm from grade 2C. I'm going to do experiment about condensation. For this experiment, you need hot water, 2 cups and some ice cubes. First, boil kettle full of water. Fill 2/3 of 1 cup with the hot water. You just flip the second cup, placing it upside down on the first cup. Balance an ice cube on top of the flipped cup. It is very slippery, so make sure it does not fall off. An ice cube melt. Condensation will begin to form inside of the second cup. If you look closely, you can see a smaller water droplets form together, making bigger water droplets. Clouds are made of these same water droplets but in the sky. This process is called condensation. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Red cabbage is rich in iron. And do you know how its color changes with different materials at home? It's awesome! Get ready to join Fakiha of 6B.
Hello everyone, my name is Fakia Khan and I'm in class 6B, the school in Royal Academy Ajman. And today I'm going to do some color magic with red cabbage. Some cabbage juice and different solutions. And now I'm going to put some cabbage juice inside of each cup to see which color it changes into. If it changes to red to pink, means it's an acid. Or if it changes to yellow, green or blue, means it's a base. Acids are solutions that lose hydrogen ion and usually taste sour. And bases are solutions that gain hydrogen ion and usually taste bitter. So let's start and see which color the solution will change into. This is
Dishwasher.
As you can see, if it's turning dark pink means it's an acid. And this is some lemon juice. This is acid too because it's changing pink. And this is some washing detergent. It is changing green because it's a base. And this is some vinegar. It is changing pink because it's an acid. And this is some Sprite. It's an acid too. And this is some tomato juice. So this is how you can know if the substance is an acid or a base. Thank you for watching. Bye.
That was awesome. When we see our Earth, we can see the spectacular arrangements of the different landforms by a beautiful PPT by Ibrahim Said from 7E.
How to inflate a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. Sounds interesting. Let's hear it from Muhammad Arham ul Haq. from the grade KG1A.
Hi, I'm Ajman. I'm from KG1A. I'm studying in Ajman. Today, I'm taking part in exhibition Science and Technology for Sustainable Development. My experiment is blow a balloon with science. This is vinegar bottle. This is making soda, and we'll put balloon. And yes, start experiment. Take this paper and let's put. This is making soda and put. My vinegar and making soda, my dry mix. They produce carbon dioxide gas and fill balloon. Yes, see. What is doing? Camera, see? Camera, accent is coming. Wait. Oh, wow, cute. Meow, meow, meow. Thank you for watching. Do you like my experiment? Try it at your home. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Call me. Thank you. Bye-bye.
What we are doing to the forest of the world is a reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another. Alan Thomas from grade 3A will be explaining the importance of forests and their conservation.
My name is Alan Thomas Roshan. My project is conservation of natural resources. The materials available on it used for our life, such as rocks, minerals, coal, petroleum, air, water and plants are called natural resources. We must use it wisely, otherwise life on the earth will be not possible for a future. But human beings use this natural resource at a very fast rate. Now, our topic is how to conserve a forest for future generations. Forests are called the lungs of the environment. They are the factory of oxygen and various other resources. Environment couldn't survive without forest. Forest conservation means to protect and preserve the forest for future generations. The most important function of the forest is it produces oxygen. While photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Hence, it reduces air pollution. Forests also prevent soil pollution. Deforestation, that is cutting down the trees. This due to topsoil loss, floods, loss of fertility, etc. Forests also play an important part in our water cycle. It controls the moisture level in our ecosystem. Forests are also the home for many different kinds of animals, birds, insects, etc. Many medicines are also available from trees. Control deforestation. We can't completely avoid deforestation, but we can plant more trees. Papers are made from trees, so write both sides of a paper. Protect against forest fire. This leads to loss of forest. This can happen accidentally or natural cause. Once the fire spread all over the forest, it's very difficult to control. So we should take some care for this. Increase the forest area, plant trees in wasted lands. This way we can save our forest and protect our planet for our future generation. It's your hands. Plant more trees. Thank you for watching the video.
Earth is doing an earthquake. I am very scared of it. Here we have an innovative method to detect an earthquake by Muhammad Nadeemuddin Khan of 12D.
Good morning everyone. I am Muhammad Nadeemuddin Khan of grade 12D. My project is about an earthquake indicator. It measures the vibration happening in the Earth's surface. The copper wire touches each other again and again, which blinks the light when the vibration happens, like this. So over here, when the surface vibrates, the wire comes in contact with copper wire, and due to this, the current passes each time the wire comes in contact and the bulb lights up. This is how it indicates the earthquake.
Economy is the strength of development of country. So let's see the major industries in the world by Suaz CK 8E, Muhammad Naveed 8C and Iron Jodish 8A.
Hello everyone. We are grade 8E boys. We are here to show you some of the major industries in the world. Major industries in the world. Industry. Industry is a group of productive enterprises or organizations that produce or supply goods, services or source of income. Some of the main industries in the world are cars and automobile industry, petroleum industry, mineral industry, IT industry and tourism industry. About cars and automobile industry. Second topic, about oil and petroleum industry. Saudi Arabia is the world's largest producer and exporter of oil and has 1/4 of the world's known oil reserves, more than 260 billion barrels. Third topic, IT industry in India. Some points about IT industry. Fourth topic, tourism industry. About tourism industry. Tourism industry in United Arab Emirates. Topic, mineral industry. Some points about mineral industry. about Africa's mineral industry. Thank you for watching. Then bye, Grade 8E boys.
Good morning, dear principal, teachers, students, and my dear friends. My name is Navi, and I am from class 8C, and I am here to present an interesting and educational speech on the topic industries. Now, what is an industry? Well, an industry refers to the economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. It is also produced by a group of manufacturers or businesses. What are some major industries? There are a lot of industries. For instance, there are healthcare, information technology, retail, accounting, financial services and banking, education, hospitality, and many more kinds of industries. So, for the first example, I'm going to be talking about the oil industry. Here are some examples. The oil industry, also known as the petroleum industry, sucks out the pockets of oil deep underground. They are most commonly found in Saudi Arabia, Russia, the United States, United Arab Emirates, Iran, and China. The largest volume products of the industry are fuel, oil, gasoline, and petrol. The extreme monetary value of oil and its products has led it to be known as black gold. Oil accounts for a large percent of the world's energy consumption, ranging from a low of 32% for Europe and Asia to a high of 53% for the Middle East. The world consumes over 36 billion barrels of oil per year, with the developed nations being the largest consumers. Now, we move on to our next example. Automotive industries. Here are some examples. The automotive industry comprises a wide range of companies and organizations involved in the design, development, manufacturing, marketing, and selling of motor vehicles. It is one of the world's largest industries by revenue. In 2007, there were about 806 million cars and light trucks on the road, consuming over 980 billion liters of gasoline and diesel fuel yearly. The automobile is a primary mode of transportation for many developed economies. Now, it is time for us to see the side effects of having the industries. You might be wondering, what are the side effects? Well, the industries might be helpful to us. It might even convince us that there's nothing wrong with it. But at the same time, industrial processes can have negative environmental impacts, causing the climate changes, loss of natural resources, air and water pollution, and extinction of species. These threaten the global environment as well as the economic and social welfare. So, to sum it all up, industries are good to us but bad to the environment. They increase ease in our day-to-day life, but they put a risk of extinction on ourselves. This is Naveed signing off, and remember, don't overuse, always reuse. Bye!
segregates your garbage? Ruwa Hairsmeether will tell us about organic compost from kitchen waste.
Today I make organic fertilizer from kitchen waste. Plastic box sunset. Now put kitchen waste. Vegetables waste. For sunset. Okay. Give water. Give for 30 days. After 30 days, it's ready for what? This way we can make organic.
Be deep or shallow, red or black, sand or clay, the soil is the link between the core of earth and the living thing on its surface. Vidita Vivek of grade 3A is demonstrating how soil erosion can be reduced. Come on.
Hello everyone, my name is Vidita. I'm from grade 3 and I'm studying in Royal Academy Ajman. My science exhibition topic is conservation of natural resources. Soil. Soil is one of the world's most important natural resources. Soil, together with air and water, it is basic for life on planet Earth. Conservation of soil. Major threat, soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of the most fertile top layer of soil. Major cause of soil erosion is deforestation. Solution of soil erosion is planting trees and plants. Come, let's see my experiment. Here I have two bottles, one with plant and soil, one only soil. Now I will pour water. You can see the bottle with plant, the soil erosion is very less compared to the other bottle without plant. The plant holds the soil. So, we should plant trees to conserve soil. I hope you all understood. Thank you.
Do you love cola? Well, I love to take cola with KFC. But Halima Mohammed Waliullah from 10B does this differently. So watch this innovation and don't miss it.
Our honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends, I, Halima Muhammad, welcome you all to the Spark Exhibition 2021 by the Royal Academy Ajman. As you all know, one of the basic essentials for our survival is oxygen. Similarly, mobile phones have become an utmost necessity in our lives. Dear friends, imagine a situation in which we are relaxing in a farmhouse, and all of a sudden an electricity supply has been cut off. Our immediate reaction would be to turn on the torchlights of our mobile phones, and at that time we realize that the battery is running low on our phones. What would you do? So here I have a very innovative idea to charge your mobile phones. We would need a razor blades, or you can use knives, a charging cable wire, a glass jar, matchsticks, or you can use any wooden sticks, a fizzy drink, or you can use vinegar or dilute sulfuric acid. This is the way we set up by aligning both the blades while keeping the matchsticks horizontally. Then we need to cut off the other end of the cable wire and attach the core wires to the blades. Then we pour half a can of any fizzy drink into a glass jar. Then put the cable wire attached to the blades into the glass jar. Then we connect the USB port with our mobile. This completes the circuit. Now let me explain you the working of this setup. The fizzy drink contains the carbonic acid, which releases hydrogen ions as well as bicarbonate ions. As time goes on, equilibrium is set between the ions, and these ions helps to conduct the electricity. So thus the mobile get charged. And this is how this process works. Thank you for taking out time to watch my presentation.
Global warming is one of the threats which is faced by the world, and it's becoming a sensitive issue. Let's see what Jeevan Ji of grade 9E has to say about it.
Climate. Factors responsible for climatic changes. What is climatic change? Climatic change is a change in the usual weather found in a place. This could be a change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year, or it could be a change in a place's usual temperature for a month or season. Climate change is also a change in Earth's climate. This could be a change in Earth's usual temperature. Factors responsible for climatic changes. There are many different factors that affect climate around the world. It is the varying influence of these factors that lead to different parts of the Earth experiencing different climates. The most important natural factors are distance from the sea, ocean currents, direction of prevailing winds, shape of the land, known as relief or topography, distance from the equator, the El Niño phenomenon. Climatic changes in UAE. The climate of United Arab Emirates (UAE) features a desert climate with hot summers and cool winters. Most days are sunny and pleasant except the middle of the summer season, December, July and August, when it's very hot in UAE. Climatic changes in India. India's average temperature has already increased by around 0.7 degrees Celsius during the 1901 to 2018 period due to greenhouse gas emission, and by the end of 2100 it is expected to rise by approximately 4.4 degrees Celsius relative to 1976 to 2005 average in the worst case scenario. One is the first ever climate change assessment report by the Indian government. Climatic changes in Europe. The most of Europe, less precipitation in summer and rising temperature will lead to more frequent and intense summer droughts. Climatic change will increase the chances of flooding in some regions of Europe. Flood damage is expected to rise across Europe. What climatic changes are happening? Climatic changes has also been connected with other damaging weather events such as more frequent and more intense hurricanes, floods, downpours, and winter storms. In polar regions, the warming global temperatures associated with climate change have meant ice sheets and glaciers are melting at an accelerated rate from season to season. This contributes to sea levels rising in different regions of the planet. Together with expanding oceans water due to rising temperatures, the resulting rise in sea level has begun to damage coastlines as a result of increased flooding and erosion. Reason for climatic change. The main cause of climatic change are humanity's increased use of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas to generate electricity, run cars and other forms of transport, and power manufacturing and industry. Deforestation because living trees absorb and store carbon dioxide. Increasingly intensive agriculture, which emits greenhouse gases like methane and nitrogen oxide. Climatic change. Before COVID-19, COVID-19 is killing people now and climate change is killing people now. Need more attention and support than they did even before coronavirus came along. After lockdown due to 2019, levels of major air pollutants drastically reduced globally since lockdowns began in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, and it also said that ozone hole is healing much faster than expected due to lockdown. Thank you, made by Jeevan of grade 9E.
Wastewater can be reused. Let us hear it from Muhammad Saleh, KG1A, how it's done.
Hi everyone. I'm Mama Saleh. My school name is Royal Academy Ajman. Can you give multi-model of wastewater reuse system? As I will tell you to filter water. Your action way. Let's start the experiment. Sunny, this is dirty water. Today I will tell you water filter water or filter water using charcoal. We need 2 bottles like this, and like this. This is cotton. This is cotton. Charcoal. Charcoal. Sand. This sand. Then taco. Dirty water. Dirty water. Friends. Friends. The clear water. Wow. Charcoal is the best purifier. Nature. Don't drink this water. Now see how to beautify neurons, wastewater, and how it is reused. Wastewater tank. This wastewater tank, which is charcoal bubbles. I bought it and made a compressor and water dispenser and made like this. This can use purify water for farming or gardening. Can you see how this is a small example for this? And don't waste water. Try reuse it. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Wow. Very good.
When energy is coming from the sun, why are we digging the earth? With this thought in mind, Naila Tehmeem of 3A explains her model on solar power.
Hi, my name is Naila Tehmeem from grade 3B. I got the topic conservation of natural resources. So, I made the project solar power model. This is my project. Sun is the primary source of energy on earth. In solar panel, we use sunlight directly to generate electricity. I will explain how it works. Materials I used to make this project is a solar panel, wires to connect, batteries, chart papers, thermocol sheets, sticks, and a LED light bulb, etc. Solar panel converts sunlight to electricity. A control device changes this electricity, enabling to power electrical items. From here, it goes to power outlets to run home appliances. And some of electricity from this control device stored in batteries. Concept behind the project is to explain how solar energy helps in sustainable development of natural environment, comparing the electricity made from coals, gas, fossil fuels, etc. Solar energy uses less natural resources, reduce air pollution and help in slow climate changes. Uses of this concept in life: power up home with solar power to reduce electricity bills, solar charging of mobile phones and laptops, solar cooking, solar water heating, solar lighting, etc. Thank you. Project made by Naila Tami.
What will happen when a reflected image will fall into a mirror again? In our next exhibit, Dua Muhammad from NB will answer that.
It was a wonderful information. Now let's see the presentation by the grade 10 students on different organizations which work for the cause of society and environment. Presented by Sadesh and Aftab of 10E and Mehak of 10B.
The world is facing an unprecedented test, and this is the moment of truth. We must respond decisively, innovatively and together to suppress the spread of the virus and address the socio-economic devastation that COVID-19 is causing in all regions. It is essential that developed countries immediately assist those less developed to bolster their health systems and their response capacity to stop transmission. The United Nations is establishing a new multi-partner trust fund for COVID-19 response and recovery to support low and middle-income countries to respond to the emergency and recover from the socio-economic shock. Everything we do during and after this crisis must be with a strong focus on building more equal, inclusive and sustainable economies and societies that are more resilient in the face of pandemics, climate change and the many other global challenges we face. What the world needs now is solidarity. With solidarity, we can defeat the virus and build a better world. The world is facing
Your energy bills can be reduced or eliminated. Here's how Alia Faridun from KG2A will explain about the power panel for homes.
Hi everyone, my name is Alia from KG2A. My project is about solar power panel. It is a clean source of energy. It absorbs energy from the sun, converting it to electric power. It will help people in the rural areas to reduce the electric bills. Thank you.
Now we have Arush Really of grade 4A who has an important message for all of us which says be a part of the solution and not a part of pollution. He has an experiment which shows how to create a pollution catcher.
Hello everyone, I am Arush from 4A. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. I thought you should have the power to see what we are breathing in is good or bad. So here I will show you how to make pollution catcher DIY. So I took one small cardboard box like this. For this box, place the exhaust fan in the middle of the box and mark out the circle and cut the marking and fix the fan inside the hole. Check that the air goes into the box when you put it on. Tape the flaps at bottom of the box as shown. Take out the wire from bottom corner and shut the box. Take a white paper and apply petroleum jelly on it. Place the paper at the bottom of the box, switch on the fan and the pollution catcher is ready. I am going to sprinkle some glitter dust to show how it sticks to the oily surface. That's it. Your pollution catcher is ready. Now go and catch the pollution.
You might have heard about virtual reality. Here in Royal Academy Ajman, you're going to witness a beautiful demonstration of virtual reality by Mahik Mulchan from 10B. So hold on to yourself and go crazy.
Good morning everyone, my name is Meg Moulton and I'm from grade 10B. I'm honored to be a part of this program. Today I'll be presenting a project related to the recent trends in science and technology. As the world is growing, it would not be late before we get to see 3D printers, robots with artificial intelligence, or even virtual reality. Well, today I'll be presenting a virtual reality-like creation, holograms. Holograms are a photographic technique that records a scattered light from an object and presents it in such a way that it looks to be three-dimensional. To make the hologram, I have used clear sheet, OHP sheets, and a transparent tape to put them together. After I finished making the prism-like structure, it looks something like this. And then I carefully place it on top of my phone. And here were the results. For better view, we need to switch off the light. As we can see, the holograms represent a recording of information regarding the light that comes from the original scene. As it's scattered in a range of directions, as in a photograph, it allows a scene to be viewed from a range of different angles.
प्रेशर नहीं डरना, स्पेशली हिला सीधा सीधा.
Now, what is the purpose, you may ask? Actually, holograms are used commonly. It can help the bank employees detect whether the notes are real or it's a fraud. So it can be used in fraud and security purposes. It can also be used for medical purposes, whereas it can also be used for military mapping as for geographical intelligence. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something new today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
One way to cook without directing smoke into the eye in the villages is by using smokeless stove. Anaya Imran from KG2A will explain to us how smokeless stove works.
Hello friends, my name is Anaya Imran. I'm from KG2A. Today I'm going to show my model. My model is related to science and technology for rural development. Is called smokeless stove. It can be made of steel and native clay. It is made in such a way that the entire smoke generated is taken through a pipe and discharged into the atmosphere at a higher level. Smokeless stove can help to prevent health-related problems, time-saving, low cost, and provide healthy environment in the kitchen and keep food hot for longer time. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Soil is not just a part of land, it is the fountain of energy. The reason for soil erosion will be explained to us by Aylan bin Zahir of grade 4B.
Good morning, my dear teachers and friends. My name is Ilan bin Zahir, studying in grade 4B, Royal Academy, Ajman. Today I am going to show you how plants prevent soil erosion. I came from Kerala, where landsliding, floods and other natural disasters occurred continuously for 3 years. So I take this opportunity to educate myself and my friends about soil prevention. So for the experiment, I have a container with plain soil and other container with mulch and soil and the third container with plants and soil. Now I am going to pour the water as rain. You can see that the water in the first container is very dirty. Now we are going to pour the water in the second container. You can see the difference that the water in the second container is cleaner than the first container. Now we are going to pour the water in the last container. You can see that the water in the third container is far cleaner than the first container and cleaner than the third container. Now, so I am going to show you why this is so clean. You can see that the water, the soil, plants' roots are holding the soil together. When I press the soil, you can see the water coming out of the soil. The roots of the plant help the soil control the water inside it. Thank you for watching the video and please plant trees to prevent soil erosion. Thank you.
At the mountain top, our nose bleeds. You know why? Here we have Soha CK from 8E with another incredible effect of atmospheric pressure.
Hello, my name is Suhas. I am studying in grade 8E. Today I am going to do an experiment on underwater candle. For this we need
water, a glass cup, color, saucer, candle and a matchbox. Pour some water into the glass and add few drops of color in it. Mix it well. Now place a candle in the middle of the saucer and light it up. Now pour some colored water into the saucer . Then cover it up with a glass. Now let's see what happens. When the flame still burning inside the cup, some of the water starts collecting inside the glass, observing it from the outside, and when the flame goes off, there is a much bigger gush of water into the glass. So why this happens? The flame uses up the oxygen in the cup, creates a low pressure. Atmospheric pressure then tries to force its way because the water at the base of the cup has created an airtight seal. The pressure differs between the inside and outside of the cup, cause the water to raise until the pressure is equal to the pressure outside. And finally, thanks for watching.
Running out of water? Needs backup? Here's Hannah from KG2A to demonstrate how to catch rainwater.
Hello, my name is Hannah from KG2A. My project is about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting helps people to save rainwater for future use. Let's see how it works. First, the rain falls into a collection tank, then goes to filtration tank, then goes to storage vessel. Rainwater can be main or backup source in villages. Rainwater can help to grow crops. Rainwater can reduce effects of flooding. Thank you.
Catch the raindrops, save water. Now let's listen to an interesting demonstration of rainwater harvesting by Sahil Malik from grade 4B.
Hello, I am Malik from grade 4B. The theme for grade 4 is Science and Technology for Society. I have made a model on rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rain, rather than allowing it to run off. The rainwater is collected from a roof and reducted to a reservoir with help of sand or pebbles. It is then collected into an underground tank for our water is ready to use. Thank you.
How does a solar irrigation system work? From KG2A, Mahin Mazhar will share with us her model on solar panel for irrigation.
Good morning everyone. I am Mahin Mazhar and I am from the grade KG2A and I study in the Royal Academy Ajman. This is my project about solar panel for irrigation in rural areas. So we can use solar panel for drawing water from under the earth. Solar panel creates electricity using sunlight that helps motors to draw water and store in containers. This water is used for watering plants in rural areas where there is no electricity. Thank you.
Do you know we have some natural indicators around us which says whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature? If no, then let us hear more on this topic by Yasira Safaraj of KG2B.
Hello guys, my name is Yasira school name is Royal Academy Ajman. Today I'm going to do experiment for science exhibition. This experiment is to identify acid and base with natural indicator. So I take turmeric as a natural indicator. Now I add turmeric water. Okay. Now I mix properly. Now this watercolor is yellow. Now I add detergent powder in this bowl. Now I will mix it. This color is change show. Detergent powder is base is in nature. Now I add lemon juice. Another one. Now this color not change. It shows lemon is acid in nature. Now I show here. Okay. Adding it is to this solution. Okay. It convert that water to yellow water.
Last but not the least, we have our head boy Muhammad Imran of grade 12 to come up with his vote of thanks.
I, Muhammad Imran, head boy of the prestigious institution of the Royal Academy Ajman, would like to thank you all for giving an opportunity to deliver the vote of thanks. I am very delightful to be a part of Spark 2021. I would like to thank our beloved principal, teachers and my dear friend. I would like to thank especially the teachers of Science and Social Department for making this program a grand success.
I now request you all to kindly stand up to pay respect to the Indian National Anthem.